Practice 6, your linear inequalities. We are all familiar with equations, so we are here to discuss about inequations and inequalities. Let us see the definition. Your definition says an inequation, okay? An inequation which contains variables, which contains variables of first degree. You know, if the power is 1, then it is said to be first degree, and no term contains प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द वेरिएबल. कोई भी टर्म में आपका प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द वेरिएबल नहीं होगा, जैसे कि एक्स वाई आपका क्या प्रोडक्ट, इस टाइप के वेरिएबल्स आपके नहीं होंगे. इट्स कॉल्ड लीनियर इन इक्वेशन. एज द नेम इंडिकेट्स लीनियर, पावर आपका 1 होना चाहिए और आपका जो कंटेन्स वेरिएबल फर्स्ट डिग्री होना चाहिए, एंड मोर ओवर नो टर्म शुड कंटेन द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द टू वेरिएबल्स. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन, वी आर हियर विथ linear inequations in one variable. आप देख सकते हैं we are here with 4 different inequations. Ax plus b less than 0, less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to. These are all the sign of the inequation. तो आपका ये one variable में, so which is the variable here? X. Ax plus b less than 0, ax plus b greater than 0, ax plus b less than equal to 0, ax plus b greater than equal to 0, where ab belongs to real number. So these are 4 types of linear inequation in one variable. Now moving on to the linear inequations in 2 variables. Obviously यहाँ पे हमारे 2 वेरिएबल होंगे, लेकिन दोनों आपके क्या होंगे? लीनियर. So the standard form you can see here. The standard form is, you can see here 2 variables x and y. So again your standard form is ax plus by plus c less than 0, ax plus by plus c greater than 0, again ax plus by plus c less than equal to 0, and ax plus by plus c greater equal to 0. So these are the 4 different types of linear inequations in 2 variables which we are going to study. Again here we have to remember that a, b, c belongs to R. Now we are here with solution of an inequation. How to find out the solution of an inequation, or what is the solution of an inequation? That is the values of, obviously in सब में जैसे equation में हम लोग workout करते हैं, equation में हमारे पास according to the degree of the equation we are having its solution. But here in equation the values of unknown variables for which the inequation holds good, right, are called the solutions of inequations. So this is how we have seen its definition, types, 1 variable and 2 variable, and also the solution of linear inequations. We are here to see the rules for solving an inequality. We are having basically 2 rules. Our rule number 1 is equal numbers may be added or subtracted from both the sides of inequality without affecting the sign of inequality. Okay, so you can add or you can subtract equal number from both the sides of inequality, right? The next is rule number 2. Your rule number 2 says that both the sides of an inequality can be multiplied और डिवाइडेड बाय द सेम पॉजिटिव नंबर. ध्यान दीजिए, अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं या डिवाइड कर रहे हैं तो नंबर आपका क्या होना चाहिए? सेम पॉजिटिव नंबर होना चाहिए. बट here it is very important to note that if we multiply or divide by negative number, then the sign of inequality get reversed. Reverse का मतलब होता है change हो जाना. So here it is said, but when both sides are multiplied or divided by a negative number, then the sign of inequality is reversed. For example, suppose it is x is greater than 3, right? x is greater than 3. अगर आप इसको -1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, then this becomes -x less than -3. So this is how the inequality gets changed if it is multiplied by negative number or divided by negative number. But if it is positive number, for example, in the same one, suppose if you multiply with positive 2 number on both the side, then this becomes 2x greater than 2 into 3, that is 6. So these rules is to be applied in all the inequalities for finding its solutions. We are here to discuss some question based upon linear inequality. Our first question is solve the inequation. Our inequation is 1 minus 3x greater than 10. हमें इसे solve करना है and represent the solution on the number line. Let us solve this. 1 minus 3x is greater than 10. Okay, now just see, we have to remove this 1. आपको ये 1 हटाना है तो आप दोनों साइड क्या करेंगे, -1. So here also -1 and here also -1. अब आप देखिए ये आपका कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So we are here with minus 3x is greater than 9. Okay, now just divide by -3 on both the sides. So what you get, x less than -3. As we know that whenever the inequality is divided by negative number, the sign of inequality gets changed. So the solution for the given inequation is x is less than -3. Now this solution is to be represented on number line. आपने number line बना लिया. So this is your number line. You can see here. ये आपका 0. This is -1, -2, -3. ध्यान दीजिए लेस देन -3 है तो आप क्या करेंगे, इसको एनसर्कल कर दीजिए. ओपन है, ओपन का मतलब -3 इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड एंड जस्ट मेक दिस साइड लिटिल थिक. ओके, ये साइड आपका क्या हो जाएगा, इसको थोड़ा सा डार्कन कर दीजिए. नाउ दिस डार्कन थिक लाइन, राइट, this is the solution on the number line represented as x is less than -3. तो ये हमारा सोल्यूशन हो गया किसका, नंबर लाइन पे. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ एनी सोल्यूशन ऑन द नंबर लाइन विल बी रिप्रेजेंटेड. ध्यान दीजिए ये आपका इंक्लूडेड नहीं है. ओके, नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Your question number 2 says we are having two inequalities. We have to work out and we have to find out the common solution. Okay, now just see. सबसे पहले इसको work out कर लेते हैं. 2x minus 7 less than 11. -7 को हटाने के लिए हम लोग दोनों तरफ क्या करेंगे, +7. So this is 2x minus 7 plus 7 less than 11 plus 7. This is 2x less than 18. And obviously 2 से आप divide कर दीजिए. So your x is less than 9. Right? Now second equation. Second equation में 4 को हटाने के लिए आप क्या करोगे, -4. So this is 3x plus 4 minus 4 minus 5 minus 4. So this takes the form 3x less than -9 and x less than -3. So here we are having x less than -3 and here x less than 9. आपको इन दोनों वैल्यू में कॉमन सॉल्यूशन निकालना. आप नंबर लाइन पे भी देख सकते हैं. देखिए नंबर लाइन पे सबसे ज्यादा सही रहता है चेक करना. ये आपका है योर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, x इज लेस देन 9. ओके, जस्ट सी 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. राइट, लेस देन 9 में ये आपका पूरा सॉल्यूशन हो जाएगा. यू कैन सी दिस वन. पूरा डार्क कर दीजिए और 9 को हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ये 9 को इस टाइप से, क्योंकि 9 आपका इंक्लूडेड नहीं है. सो दिस डार्कर लाइन रिप्रेजेंट x लेस देन 9. नाउ x लेस देन -3. ओके, -1 -2 -3. राइट, नाउ जस्ट सी लेस देन -3 में ये आपका इस तरफ आ जाएगा. दिस साइड अगेन यू विल डार्कन इट. राइट, नाउ जस्ट सी in this and in this which one is the common one. आपको कॉमन निकालना है, तो कॉमन ऑब्वियसली आपका क्या हो जाएगा इसमें, क्योंकि जो आपका x लेस देन 9 है वो पूरा माइनस इन्फिनिटी से ओपन इंटरवल 9 तक है, और अगर हम x लेस देन -3 ले तो माइनस इन्फिनिटी से -3, जो हमारा कॉमन एरिया है वो यही है. सो व्हाट इज द कॉमन सोल्यूशन? कॉमन सोल्यूशन इज x less than -3 for the equation 1 and for equation 2. The question may be asked that you have to represent the solution on the number line. If it is not asked also, then it is also good for you to find out the common solution. Common solution के लिए आप number line पे represent करिए, that is very good. Okay. Now moving on to the question number 3. Your question number 3 is solve. You can see here directly we can solve -3, 4 minus 7x less than 18. सबसे पहले इस 4 को हटाना है तो हम -4 कर देते हैं. -3 -4 -4 plus 4 minus 7x 18 minus 4. So what we get? -7 less than equal to -7x and here 14. -7 से डिवाइड कर दीजिए. -7 upon -7, here it is x and here it is 14 upon 7. Okay. Now this inequality takes the form x, here x, you can see is greater than 2 and less than equal to 1, right? So here it is -7 हम लोगों ने किया है. So here it will be -2, right? So this is how, because sign inequality gets changed when we are dividing it by minus sign. So we have divided by the minus sign, so that is why it has become here x is greater than -2 and less than equal to 1, right? So this is how, ये क्वेश्चन आप इसको अलग भी कर सकते हैं. देखिए एक बार ये मैंने आपको आंसर निकाल के बताया है. Now you can also do it in this way. That will also help you. The same question, you can take these two, right? -3 less than equal to 4 minus 7x, -3 minus 4 less than equal to 4 minus 4 minus 7x. So -7, here it is -7x and x is greater. You can see here, ये आपका आ जाएगा, कितना आ गया ये -7x and here जब आप इसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये आपका आ जाएगा 1. So x is less than equal to 1. So take the second equation, 4 minus 7x less than 18. Again -4 plus 4 minus 7x less than 18 minus 4 minus 7x less than 14. एंड जब आप इसको -7 से करेंगे नेक्स्ट स्टेप में, ये जाएगा -7x डिवाइडेड बाय -7 एंड दिस विल बी 2, राइट? क्योंकि हमने -7 से किया था, ये आपका -2 हो जाएगा एंड योर x विल बी greater than -2 and then you will combine these two inequality and you get is x is greater than -2 and less than equal to 1. It is up to you कि आप इसको मतलब स्प्लिट अप करके सॉल्व करके कंबाइन करना चाहते हैं या एक साथ आप इसको वर्कआउट करना चाहते हैं. देन यू कैन ऑल्सो हैव सम वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स. लेट अस सी हाउ. It is given that the length of the rectangle is 3 times the breadth. So let the breadth be x centimeter. So what will be then length आपकी कितनी हो जाएगी 3 times, so it will be 3x. What will be perimeter is twice length plus breadth, that is twice x plus 3x and this is equal to 2 into 4x and this is equal to 8x. Now what is given here? If the minimum, ध्यान दीजिए, minimum perimeter of a rectangle is 160. Understand the words. What is said? Minimum, that means 8x. According to condition, 8x is greater equal to 160. It is 160, right? मिनिमम का मतलब वो सबसे कम वैल्यू है, उससे ज्यादा भी वैल्यू अटेन की जा सकती. सो हियर योर x will be greater equal to 20 and that is what we are supposed to prove. It is said that prove that the breadth, what is your breadth, you can see here breadth आपका x है, we have taken here breadth is equal to x centimeter. Therefore it's said that breadth is greater than or equal to 20 centimeters. So this is how we have proved the value of breadth greater equal to 20 centimeter. Thank you.